using a lofted boss base. So to start with, we have to click new part. Okay. Then we can draw on right plane. Draw a circle. Okay. Smart dimension. We put in 50 mm. Alright, we close. So we need at least 4 circles for our lofted boss 3D design. So we are going to insert a plane using the right plane. So it's the right plane. We're going to put 3. So the distance of the tree I put in 50 mm. Alright, check. So we're going, the circle on the first as well as on the last will be similar. So I sketch on the plane 3. So normal 2, right? I convert entity because they have the same size. Check. Done. So we have 2 circles already. So on plane 1, we also sketch normal 2. I put a smaller circle. Okay. The diameter may be 15. I put 15. Alright. Check. And then on plane 3, we also the same. The 15 is too small. I want to edit this one and make it bigger. I make it 25. 25. Enter. Close. Gets on plane 2. Normal 2. We convert entity. Convert. The same size. Check. Done. So we have already drawn the 4 circles. Now we are going to join them together using 3D sketch. So open the sketch here, expand. We click 3D sketch and then we use spline. Okay. So on our first circle on the top, we join all the top of the circle. Okay. Escape. So also on the bottom, all right. So on the side also, all right, and also on the other side. So we make 4 guides for our lofted boss base. Okay, skip. Now we can adjust the 3D sketch. Okay, we can make this. We can make, alright, so same thing on this side. We just make it horizontal. We just make it horizontal. So this area can be like that. So same thing here. Then okay. Then we go to the top view. So the same thing. We have to adjust the 3D sketch. Alright. Okay. So our 3D sketch design is okay. We can now close this 3D sketch and we go pictures and lofted boss base. So we select all the 4 circles. Alright, and then the guide curves, we click here and then select the guide one by one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the 3D of our Venturi. Now, in order for us to have a hole on the middle, we can shell this using this shell feature, right? We select on this face as well as on the other face. Now, the thickness of our Venturi, we can put to 3 mm. Okay, and then we shell. Check. So this is already our Venturi design that we'll be using on our flow simulation.